Aryan's fitness journey, how to build a strong body in 7 days. Day 1, setting the goal. Aryan always wanted to be strong and fit, but his busy routine kept him from focusing on his body. One day, he made a promise to himself. He would dedicate the next 7 days to building strength. He took out a journal and wrote down his goal to become stronger and more energetic. Day 2, eating the right food. The next morning, Aryan took his first step, fixing his diet. He replaced junk food with healthier options like eggs, cottage cheese, lentils, green vegetables, and nuts. He decided to get enough protein and nutrients every day to help his muscles grow and recover faster. Day 3, starting the workout. Aryan began his morning with bodyweight exercises, push-ups, squats, and planks. At first, it was tough, but he reminded himself, if I want a strong body, I have to challenge myself. He pushed through, knowing that consistency would bring results. Day 4, rest and recovery. After 3 days of hard work, he felt a little sore. He researched and realized that proper sleep is crucial for muscle recovery. That night, he made sure to get a full 8 hours of rest, and by morning, his body and mind felt refreshed. Day 5, hydration and mental strength. Aryan noticed that drinking more water also played a key role in his energy levels. He started drinking 3 to 4 liters of water daily to keep his body hydrated. He also watched motivational videos to stay positive and focused on his goal. Day 6, staying consistent. By now, Aryan was feeling stronger. He noticed changes in his body. His stamina had increased and his muscles felt more toned. He realized that real strength comes from staying consistent, so he committed to continuing his routine. Day 7, seeing the results and a new resolution. On the 7th day, Aryan looked in the mirror. He felt more energetic, confident, and powerful than ever. He understood that real transformation begins with small, daily efforts. Inspired by his progress, he decided to continue this routine for 30 more days to become even stronger. Conclusion: if you want to build a strong body like Aryan, focus on these 3 things. 1. Eat the right food, high protein and nutritious meals. 2. Exercise regularly, push-ups, squats, and stretching. 3. Get good sleep and stay hydrated, at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep and 3 to 4 liters of water. Just 7 days of dedication can bring noticeable changes in your body and mind. Are you ready to take the challenge?